So from Granville, you can also take the Aquabus going to downtown, Yaletown, Main Street. So yeah, here, I'm gonna buy some here. And ayan, tubig na agad. Walang barrier. It's nice. Oh, may parating pala. Ayun siya. So, Kat and I are gonna take one. We're gonna take one. Probably just a round trip. Ito yung kabilang side.
Ito na ba yung paalis na tayo?
Yeah, see, look, he's gonna push off. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, at first natakot ako kasi medyo tagilid masyado, medyo mabigat yung side na kung saan kami nakaupo. Pero
Chill lang naman.
Ang ganda dito kasi na-witness namin talaga yung sunset.
Yeah, actually, we didn't really mean to ride during sunset. It was just kind of a nice coincidence.
Napahin naman talaga.
Yeah. It was really nice. It was such a nice day, so we took advantage of the non-rainy weather and wanted to go on the water.
Yeah, and at first medyo na-worry ako kasi akala ko masyadong magiging malamig kasi nga malapit sa dagat. But nung nasa loob na kami ng ferry, hindi naman na.
Yeah. We were saying something about this, like, yung movie ni Agamula
And Bea Alonso.
and Bea Alonso na dito ko thought na film, but apparently it's not. But they did film around Vancouver. What's the movie called?
First Love?
First Love, yeah.
Forgot. Yeah, First Love, I guess.
I love watching the water like that. It reminds me so much of the Philippines and like being on the boat in the Philippines.
Parang gusto ko lang din talagang tumalon sa dagat at maligo. Ang sarap kaya maligo. Di naman, maliligo ka lang naman magsiswimming.
Yeah. If I were an animal, I'd be a dolphin. Look at this one. Kind of looks like a homeless boat a little bit because puro junk yung laman. But anyways, this is
Yaletown?
it's connected to Yaletown, but I think this is the David Lamb Park.
Okay.
Before Yaletown.
Yeah, but around sa dito na area, puro halo-halo lang yan. At saka yung ferry na yan, nagsastop siya ng kusa sa every
Dock.
Oo.
Yeah. That guy over there wearing the hat, he's from California. We talked to him a little bit.
He's just visiting down sa
For work. Yeah. It's kind of funny because we're so tied with California, like Vancouver. Here's the sunset starting. You're gonna get a lot of videos. So I hope that you enjoy this very relaxing video for today.
Yeah, so sa other side, puro buildings, and then sa kabilang side naman buildings din, pero may mga greens ka nang makikita kasi may mga trees pa rin.
Yeah.
Also, it's not very safe to jump sa water kasi medyo hindi malinis yun.
Here are the oh my god. Here are the boats, and here are the Beyonce boats. They're like worth hundreds and millions of dollars, which is so crazy.
Ayan na yung Yaletown pala.
Yeah, that's Yaletown right there. Yaletown is entertainment district of Vancouver. Lots of restaurants, fancy restaurants, and clubs, like nightclubs, night bars, all that stuff. Yeah, this is Yaletown. Yaletown is also a very, very, very expensive
Yeah.
area to live in. It's where like rich young people live and also rich old people live.
Mga nag-retire.
Yeah, like an example of an apartment, a one-bedroom apartment in Yaletown will probably around 2.5. Yeah, crazy.
2,000 to 2,500.
Yeah.
This one.
I don't know if you guys can hear, but there are dogs
Stadium.
like howling upstairs. It's funny.
May tinuturo ko doon kanina. Yan ba yung ano?
Ito yung building na may swimming pool na see-through. Yung bridge na yan, may pool. Tapos see-through yung glass. See-through glass yung bottom. Pretty scary.
It's so funny because the dogs are just going crazy.
Look at the mountains.
Yeah.
Nagsa-start na siyang mag-melt. Talaga, no? So, yung biyahe pala ng ferry is all the way from, from Granville Island going to
Main Street,
Ah, ah.
Science World.
Main Street Science World. So, nadadaanan pa rin namin yung stadium dyan.
Yeah.
So, masyadong busy
Science
yung area
World.
na yun. Yung Marine
Tell us
Nature
Science
Park,
World.
something.
That ball right there is the Science World. I haven't been there.
Inside? Ako din.
Yeah. I would like to try, but I just don't want to pay the tourist prices. $40 for most things. So this is we are going back now, like we're on our way back, and pretty much like we have to stop at every dock again, and every dock there were no one to ride.
So, solo namin yung ferry.
Yeah.
Ayan, birds.
That's a lot of birds.
So we're nearing the end, actually. Yeah, it's so peaceful. So while you're watching, just breathe in. 1, 2. Hold it. 1, 2. Breathe out. 1, 2. And repeat 5 times.
Ang bilis lang ng yeah. Hopefully, makakapunta kayo dito, guys.
Yeah. Hopefully you're getting some ideas from our vlogs, and look at this guy. He's just, yeah, he was actually really fast, like faster than our boat. Crazy. Yeah. Yeah, we hope that you're getting ideas, jotting down places to go and visit when you come visit. And
Isa to sa mga dapat nang i-try din.
yeah,
That was fun. So that ride was $12 each person. It was like
$40 and we just went around. Just a round trip. Now we're back at Granville Island. Where the market is, right there. And this is what it looks like at night. Really pretty.
True. Mas maganda dito guys pag summer kasi
Malamig ngayon.
oo, malamig sobra ngayon tapos malapit pa sa dagat. Pero
True.
pag
Oh,
summer
halika.
dinadagsa to dito kaya go lang.
Cute, oh. Ba? Ganda. Wow. Wow. Ang sikat.
So, yung sinasabi ko kaninang Yale Town, hindi kami nag-Yale Town. Ang ending, nag-Granville Island kami, tapos nag-drop lang pala kami sa ano.
Oo. Teka.
Okay, pasok.
Wow! Nag-on na yung lights. Actually, gusto mo ba tignan yung lights doon? Kasi may light doon. Halika. Ganda ng restaurant na to, guys. Very cute. Oh. Ito yung Granville Market. Yan yun. Oh, so cute here. Oh. Ang cute. Na?
Ang ganda dito.
Oo. And see this one, we segregate here. So looks like I put everything here. Oh, so pretty. Lakad tayo dun. Yan o, ang ganda. Ang ganda dito. Every summer, pag nandito sila mami, ito lagi yung gusto nilang pinupuntahan.
Hindi nawawala sa lista sa lakad nila yung Granville Island.
Yeah, kasi gustong-gusto talaga nila na pumupunta dito.
Oo. At saka hindi minsan nakakaumay kasi marami namang ano dito. At saka may mga pagkain.
Maraming shops dito na mga parang local artists, yung mga gumagawa ng mga products.
Oo, everywhere. Madami. Yung mga nakikita nyo sa videos namin, wala lang talaga yun.
True. Kaya kung nagbabala kayo na magvisit sa Vancouver, lista nyo na lahat ng mga vlogs namin. Kumuha kayo ng ideas from our vlogs.
Oo. At saka yung mga nanonood sa amin na curious kayo sa lugar dito sa Vancouver, mag-comment kayo guys, pwede namin puntahan para i-visit for you.
Oo, para
Habang
makita
wala pa.
nyo kung worth it ba, kung mahal. We'll spend for you. Pero not too much kasi we're on a budget. Tignan natin kung may food pa sa loob. Tapos,
Ito pala na area dito guys. At saka yung parang tent na yon. Tuwing summer or kaya kung may mga ganap dito, merong nagpe-play ng music dyan, mga buskers dyan. Tsaka dun din sa kabila.
yeah. Diba ang ganda? Wow! Wow, right? Wow! Super wow! So, tingin tayo ng pagkain kung open pa sa loob. Tapos dito tayo kumain.
Pili na tayo sa ano lang tayo kakain kasi medyo malamig.
Hindi, doon sa loob tayo kakain. Pasok lang kami.
Okay.
So, close na
Ang
sila.
fail kasi sarado na.
Close na sila. 6:23 na kasi. Siguro 6 sila nagsasara.
Oo, pero pag weekend, matagal naman sila nagsasara.
Talaga ba?
Oo, pag weekend, I think 7.
Feeling ko. 6, ayun yung... May festival dito every winter and it's called Illumination. Wait lang, may tumatawag kay Kat. Illumination, and it's just a bunch of mga light up things like that. Yeah, so hanap lang kami ng nakakain tapos uwi na kami. So see you.
the summer, kahit na gabi,
Buhay na buhay.
buhay na buhay at traffic. Parang ma-feel nyo yung pagka-Philippines na traffic talaga, tas maraming cars sa gabi. Masaya yung feeling, pero nakakapagod.
Masaya, pero minsan, parang kailangan mo dapat isat na yung sarili mo na, or i-expect mo na traffic talaga, or dapat isat mo na yung expectations mo na ganito yung mangyari, maraming tao, traffic. Kasi, kung bibisita kayo dito ng madalian lang, tapos summer,
Kailangan nyo talaga maraming time for
Oo.
traffic.
mag-aalat kayo ng time para
Tapos
sa pagpunta
for
nyo
pictures pa.
dito. True.
Kasi I know, like from my family, they like to take a lot of pictures.
Oo. Kaya guys, kung nakita naman nyo naman yung video kanina ni Kim, masyadong lahat andito, may dagat, may mga trees, may
Mountain.
buildings, may mountains, lahat andito. Ayan.
And the weather in the summer is really nice. Like, it's...
So thank you all for watching. I'm still talking there, but thank you all for watching our vlogs.
Thank you so much guys for watching. See you next time.
Bye.